welcome to my next video of Java. Today we will see how to run a applet program in a command prompt. So let's start. First open your text editor and create a new file and save the file as your class name, that is myapp.java. Then save the file. myapp1.java. Okay. Then write the applet code, that is first import your package or sub package. Import java dot applet dot star, that is star for all subclasses. Then import java dot awt dot star, then public class myapp1, then extends the applet package or class. Then this is a capital okay. Then you write public void init and here write the set background color, set background to color dot cyan semicolon, and set foreground color dot blue. Okay. Then write the another method, that is public void paint. Okay, public void paint. Then here write graphics g is the object. Then g dot draw rectangle, draw rect. This method is for drawing a rectangle. G dot draw rect. Then here pass the x y coordinate and width height. The x coordinate it will be 100, then y coordinate it will also be 100, and the width of the rectangle will be 80 and height of the rectangle will be 60. Okay. Then another method, that is draw string, to print a string, and draw string, and here pass the string name, that is hello, and here pass the coordinate, that is the x coordinate. I will pass x coordinate 120 and y coordinate I will pass 130. Then okay, semicolon. Then save the program. Okay, then go to command prompt, and here compile the program first. So java c, then myapp1.java. Okay. Okay, the program is successfully compiled. As the applet is deprecated, So this message is on. Then here write another to view applet, that is applet viewer, then the class name, that is my app1 dot html. Okay, then sorry, first create an HTML file, then okay, HTML file, and save the program as my app 1.html, my app 1.html. Then here write the HTML code, that is HTML, and your title my applet program. Okay, then in the body part write the applet tag, that is applet/applet. This is a paired tag, and here write the code, that is code name equal to the class name, that is my app1, then width equal to 300, and height equal to also 300. Okay, then save the program, and then go to again command prompt, and again run the applet viewer myapp.html. Okay, then you can see okay, draw rect to see only string, sorry, the draw rect program. Okay, draw rect, so sorry, this is 100. Okay, 100. Then again save the program and run this. Oh, sorry. So first compile the program. Okay. So Java, see myapp.java. Okay, then okay, the successful compile, then run the program, that is applet viewer myapp1.html. Then okay, the program is look like this. This is the output of the program. Okay, so this is about how to run the applet program in your command prompt. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.